Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics Sala, and I am here with a new video on chapter factorization, that is division of algebraic expression. You know multiplication and division, that is in simple when you are writing 7 into 9, it is 63, and that implies you can say 7 equal to 63 by 9, that you can write 63 divided by 9. Or in another way, you can say 9 equal to 63 by 7. This is simple division. Now, if you are applying this division process in algebraic expression, then you can say product of 3a into 2b equal to 6ab. In case of division, you can say 3a equal to 6ab divided by 2b, or 2b equal to 6ab divided by 3a. These are very simple division, and for this type of informative video you have to go through the video, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.
Division of algebraic expressions. If we are taking the product of 2x and 3x square equal to 6x cube, then we can say when 6x cube is divided by 2x, it is 3x square. Or we can say when 6x cube is divided by 3x square, it becomes 2x. Similarly, take another example, that is here it is algebraic expression, or you can say after this is monomial 5x is multiplied with a binomial x plus 4 becomes 5x square plus 20x. That means when 5x square plus 20x is divided by the monomial 5x, the result will be x plus 4. Or the binomial 5x square plus 20x is divided by 4x plus 4, then the result is also 5x. This is clear to you? Now, division of monomial by another monomial. Here we want to discuss the division of monomial by another monomial. You know, monomial has only one term. Then when we are dividing 6x cube by 2x. We can say 6x cube as 6x cube as product of 2 into 3 into x into x into x, and 2x as 2 into x. We can also write that 6x cube as 2 into x, keeping this 2 into x separate, into 3 into x into x. We can say that is equal to 2x into 3x square. When we are dividing by 2x, this 2x cancels with this 2x, then remains 3x square. This is the answer. This is the result. Like that, in your book, NCERT book, example 13 is there. Here, in the first part, minus 20x to the power 4 divided by 10x square. First of all, minus 20x to the power 4, we can write minus 2 into 5 into 2, sorry, into x into x into x into x. It is x to the power 4, and 10x square as 2 into 5 into x into x. The meaning of this division sign, when we are replacing this division sign by this, we can write minus 20x to the power 4 by 10x square like this. And when you want to write in the factors form in numerator and denominator, then we have to write minus 2 into 5 into x into x into x into x divided by 10x as 2 into 5 into x into x. Now, from numerator and denominator, cancel the common terms. X cancels x, 5 cancels 5, and 2 cancels 2. That means there remains minus 2 and into x, that is minus 2x square. This is the result. Similarly, in this division, in second part, 7x square y square z square divided by 14xyz. Write down numerator as 7 into x into y into z into z, and denominator 2 7 ja 14 into x into y into z. Then cancel the common factors. 2, don't cancel 2, cancel 7 and x with x, y with y, and z with z. Then in numerator x, y, z, and denominator you will get 2. Then final result is xyz by 2. Now let us see the questions of the exercise of the of this form. That means when monomial is divided by the monomial. Now here 28x to the power 4, we can say 28x to the power 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x, and 56x as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. Now the given it write down 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x, and cancel the common factors from numerator and denominator. Then after cancel first, you will get 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 7, and cancel 1x from numerator, 1x from denominator. You will get in denominator numerator x cube and in denominator 2, that is x cube by 2 is the result. In second part of question number 1, that is 36y cube, we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into y into y into y, and 9y square as 3 into 3 into y into y. Then it is minus 36y cube plus 9y square. Here we have to write minus 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 3 into y into y into y by 3 into 3 into y into y. Cancel 2y from numerator and denominator, and 2 3's from numerator and denominator. In numerator becomes minus 4 and y, that is minus 4y. The result is this one. Now similarly, students, you can solve other questions and for writing work you can pause and you can copy the solution also. Here let us see fourth part. Fourth part is 34 x cube y cube z cube divided by 51 x y square z cube. The factors of the numerator are 2 into 17 into x into x into x into y into y into y into z into z into z, by denominator is 3 into 17 into x into y into y into z into z. Z cube means 3 z's. Now cancel 3z from the numerator and denominator, you can cancel 2y from the denominator and numerator, cancel x from numerator and denominator, cancel 17 from numerator and denominator. Then in numerator you will get 2 into x into x into y divided by denominator is 3, that is 2 x cube by 3, and also you can write 2 by 3 x square, and also y is here, you have to write 1y here. Now in fifth part is more important, because in case of denominator there is minus 6 a to the power 6, b to the power 4. And you know, we are not keeping the denominator negative, always keeping minus sign in numerator. Then here, after cancelling the, and also you can use here a to the power 8 by a to the power 6, a to the power 6. You can write it a to the power 8 minus 6 equal to a to the power 2. Finally, you will get in numerator 2 into a square into b square divided by, after cancelling all the terms in denominator, you will get only minus 1. Now, to remove minus 1 from denominator, multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1. This minus 1 into minus 1 becomes positive, denominator becomes positive, and you will get minus 2a square b to the power 4. Then I am completing this video here only, and bye.